Welcome to DJ
My correct people, we greet you now. Welcome once again to DJ MTV.
Yes, so my people, not be smarting upon all the videos, all the insecurity gbege wey we dey hear and see for social media. Na police PRO come outside come talk say make Nigerians no reason am o, say kidnapping is not on the rise in Nigeria. Say make we no reason all those things wey we dey see and hear and read for social media. Na dis police commissioner wey dey call Olumuyiwa Adejobi na him talk am o. My people, those of una wey never see the video, I go play una this video now because him do interview with Channels Television. Make una watch am, make una hear all wetin he talk concerning this whole matter of insecurity for Naija. My people, make una watch, we dey come back.
What is the root cause of this rise? What has the police discovered that all of a sudden between December and January there is a spike in kidnapping?
In most cases is the topography of some of these areas. See Buhari, for instance. See the topography.
But there are kidnappings in Lagos. Is topography also
what is the waterways?
A factor?
What is the waterways? Don't forget, the kidnapping in Lagos was actually triggered due to the waterways. Do you know that the water from Lagos, the waterway from Lagos leads to Delta, leads to Port Harcourt, leads to Bayelsa? It's the same waterway.
What about Ekiti? Is that the same thing in Ekiti too?
No, Ekiti is forest. And the thing you need to know is that when you study all this, you can't, there are certain things the police cannot do alone.
But these things have been existent before December and January. The trend has gone up recently. Isn't there a sociological reason for it?
It's not that it's going up like that. Forget what we read in social media. Reality, it is not so. This one in Ekiti is just an isolated case that just happened recently. It's not that something that is happening on a daily basis. No. We have cases that are isolated, but when you read them on social media, you think it is not what you have on record. So we don't have the incident of kidnapping on the rise from Ekiti or anywhere in the southwestern part or in the northeastern or southwestern part of Nigeria. These are isolated cases.
But Mr. PPRO,
yes,
the cases of abduction has been reported. A security consulting company says that about 68 cases reported in December, 25 reported in November, 71 alone in January. These are the trend.
Chill. I've just told you that's a thing we need to consider when we discuss the issue of kidnapping. And it's not that the security agencies, particularly the police, it's not that we don't rescue. I can tell you that with the record I have, we have many rescues in Abuja, rescues in Plateau, rescues in Kaduna on a daily basis. And I want to put it to you that so far, that the number of total kidnapping suspects arrested, that we even arrested 139. Those are rescued at 154 in the last 1 month. It is not that we don't rescue, but don't forget, let me tell you.
I'm saying why has there been a rise?
I have told you that paying for ransom is negative to us. It's not what we should do.
So maybe people think that it's now...
You got to a stage that somebody did crowdfunding on social media. This will not help us in any way. If you do analysis of something...
criminal?
It's criminal.
To crowd...
It is criminal. It is criminal. It's not allowed. If the federal government condemned it, crowdfunding is not allowed. How can you come on social media and be telling people to gather money to go and rescue beauty? It's moral, it kills the system, and it's not allowed. I say it now, it's condemned. We should not encourage that. The more we encourage payment of ransom, it makes that business, that dirty business, look crazy.
Yes, so my people, not be smarting though. How na reason waiting this our police PRO talk concerning this whole insecurity gbege for inside Naija? As e dey hot to my people. Make una drop una comment and make una no forget to like and share and follow us on all our social media handle DJ MTV. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
DJ MTV. DJ MTV.